Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There! Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Come on là. Je vais jouer en troisième personne, je pense, pour bien être dans l'immersion. Je sais que je joue en première, mais
Bring him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out, and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right,
yes, boss.
we've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh,
C'est pas une réponse, ça, Dutch.
you need horses? Oh, yeah.
Je m'attendais à mieux.
Get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand. I'll live. Get indoors, son. We need you strong. Okay. Come on, let's go.
Ain't sure what we're gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close and we'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
On va où, Dutch? On voit rien dans cette tempête. Je ferai pas d'anglais, les gars. Hein. Moi, l'anglais,
Bridge coming up.
ça
Take
fait
it
4.
easy.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
C'était un piège?
So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming. There was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it. I stashed what we took with all our money in town right before we fled. Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
Je vois que dalle, moi. Ah si, ça y est, je vois.
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always!
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
Ok.
Whoa.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only ones crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Don't talk to me about crazy.
Oh, so no, glad you're all right. I was worried, Micah. Look, it's all gonna work out, Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling so good about it.
Where are all the others?
Old mining camp, back up the hill. Ain't much, but shelter. So, this house, you speak to the people there already?
No, like Dutch told us. Look, but don't talk to no one. Just following orders, you know me.
Right. How much further?
Not far.
What does that mean?
Not far.
Pas trop, ok.
Thanks.
On va accélérer un peu le pas, les gars.
Oh, goddamn, this snow gets right to the
Ah,
bone.
tu m'étonnes. Fichu neige, on voit que dalle.
Let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Okay, let's head down there.
Doudou, doudou. pas sur la fenêtre là.
Let's hitch up here. Let me do the talking. We don't want to scare these folks.
Sounds like quite the party.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than 3 nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front.
Faut que je vérifie un truc. Ok. C'est juste pour vérifier que j'avais encore mes anciens.
Hello? Shut up, Billy. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem.
Ouais, je vois ça.
Folks, there's a corpse right here.
Now,
Oh,
I
merde.
just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans
body
of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
Yeah, just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.
Hey, I don't believe it. Come here, partner. Come here. It's got over there. More of them. It's an
Bâtard de mort! Je vais vous expliquer comment on fait chez nous! Faut que je change la sensibilité de la souris. Oh, je tire comme une merde. T'es mort! Merde, c'est Dutch. Merde, je suis en train de tirer sur Dutch!
He won't last out there by himself. That's my boy, Arthur. Good shooting. O'Driscoll boys.
J'aurais pas dit ça, mais...
Maybe same reason as us.
Je suis un peu rayé!
Go bring the horses closer to the house.
Elle est mon Guillaume.
Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Comment ça va? J'ai tiré comme une merde, mais c'est pas grave!
We need the essentials. Food,
Ah!
medicine, whiskey.
Spa! On simule là. Ah, je peux pas tirer merde. Bon, c'est déjà... C'est pas super, mais c'est déjà mieux.
I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's
On va
head.
fouiller tout ça.
Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now.
C'est meilleur quand c'est chaud.
Ride back.
Assortiment de biscuits, ok. Prix aux conserves.
Place is dry and warm.
Impeccable.
We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see
Putain, j'ai pas ma lanterne sur moi.
how
faut
they
chier.
are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking. Meet me out here when you're done.
Ah, laisse-moi fouiller correctement, Dutch. On a déjà pas grand-chose. Des clopes, impeccable.
Poor bastard was married too.
Un sauciflard de bœuf salé, impeccable, pourquoi pas.
What's taking so long in there?
Bah ouais, bah je fouille correctement, que veux-tu?
Still looking, Dutch.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff.
Bah si c'était pour me dire ça.
There's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Qu'est-ce que tu me veux, toi?
Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck.
Boum, 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 boum! Oh, je t'expose ta patte! Je me fume! Je suis en train de lui casser la gueule! Je lui casse la gueule!
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet.
Cause! Cause, tronche de cake!
Find out what they're doing here, and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk.
Il est où, Colm? Il est où, Colm?
Where's Como Tree?
Vas-y, cause!
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Get the hell out of here. Go.
Tuto de merde, je voulais le flinguer. Oh, yo, calme. Ah, tout doux, mon petit. Ah oui, tu finiras pas dans la casserole. On sait que c'est bon le cheval, mais on te mangera pas.
Yeah, okay,
Exactement.
boy.
Ben oui, t'es beau, mon gars. Magnifique.
You let him go, huh? So all the little bastards scurrying off.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur. Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone!
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Micah. Look at her. Miss, are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Mais c'est un abruti, toi. T'es un abruti?
We mean you. Don't
Tu mérites qu'il te mette un coup de couteau dans la tronche. Elle te règle la fac.
Come on. It'll be
Ah.
okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Yes. It's okay.
Elle doit pas avoir chaud, hein.
Bad man. We ain't them.
Viens là, Miss.
It's okay.
On va s'occuper de toi.
Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
C'est là que commence l'histoire de la morsure du loup.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch.
Doucement,
Hey,
Lenny.
everybody, Dutch is back!
C'est nous.
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about. Apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Ah ouais, parce que je suis le bras droit, moi, mon gars. Qu'est-ce que tu crois? Ça fait 6 mois que t'es là à peine. Tu vas pas la ramener, connard.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Hello.
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you I'm sorry. I'm sorry to ask, but
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
he ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, and he'd look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
See some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
Ah, je suis obligé de vérifier ma sauvegarde. Quel con tout à l'heure. Heureusement que heureusement que j'ai toujours une cinquantaine de sauvegardes à côté.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Et Alexis, comment ça va? T'avais rien à bouffer?
Not that way. Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets.
Nice, boy.
Good,
Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
They continue along the cliff wall here.
On va éviter d'y aller là-dedans.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hot again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
On voit que dalle!
Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Come on, boy. Horses are getting tired.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Ouais. Je crois que c'est quelque chose qui a crevé.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Il est en haut.
Come on! Up there!
Par contre, le coup de flingue
Ahead somewhere!
dans la montagne,
I
c'était
don't
peut-être
think
pas
we
une
can
bonne
go much
idée.
further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead? Grab your shotgun. Come on.
Oh, tu m'emmerdes, j'ai pas envie, je suis bien, voilà. C'est bon. Hop, voilà.
You want your pistol? Fine. Let's just get going.
C'est sûr que je veux mon pistolet. Ouais, le fusil à canoncier, c'est pas mon truc. Hein.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Careful here. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Ouais, on va éviter de glisser. On t'a entendu, John, on t'a entendu. T'inquiète, on arrive.
Careful. There's a drop here. It's slippery. Be careful. Stay low under here. Okay from here.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Gap here. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John!
Putain de temps de merde. Oh.
Damn, it's cold.
How you doing?
I'm miserable. Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of that.
Avec plaisir.
I'm not designed for this snow. Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, where are you?
Marston, you hear me?
Marston, tu m'entends là? Oh, Marston.
John, can you hear me?
John!
Viens bas.
We're coming!
Si t'es pas mort, on te descend. Espèce de connard, tu vois pas tout ce qu'on est en train de faire pour toi?
All right!
Ouais.
Back down, Marston!
Ah, ouais, t'as...
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good, neither. Freezing.
Janvier, attrape-le, Janvier. Ah. Putain.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
Si tu meurs, John, on te tue. Ouais, on te ressuscitera pour te tuer après.
Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You alright?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out. Look up there.
You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
All right, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse. We're getting you out of here.
Hey,
Step away from us.
Ah, ça le fait pas peur. Bâtard de t'es mort. Chien de mort.
Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show
J'aime
up.
pas tuer les loups. Ça porte malheur.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others. Ah.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Là, j'ai perdu la main. J'ai perdu la main. Je tire comme une crevette, mon gars.
More coming down the hill. Enemy.
Get the hell out of here! Get out!
Je peux pas, j'ai pas d'angle.
We got more wolves on the left.
Get out of here!
Get out of here.
Ah, ça va me porter malheur, ça, de tuer des loups.
Don't
Les
think so.
loups, c'est l'emblème de ma chaîne, mon gars.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You
C'est une
know,
bonne idée.
we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there.
C'était plus long pour y aller que pour revenir, hein.
Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
Un coup de main, là, un coup de main. Ah. Mec, c'est un dégénéré.
Can we get some help?
On a besoin d'un coup de main, là. Bougez-vous le cul, là. Ah.
You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Aye, careful!
Ah, ouais.
It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This
De rien,
is a new
il t'offre
love, even
$50.
by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that? That's civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss, let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
De rien, ça fera $50, mon gars.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
So what now, Dutch?
We get strong, we get warm, and we wait. When the storm breaks, we move. But we're safe here. Warm enough.
I guess.
J'ai acheté un nouveau carnet. L'autre a été détruit dans cet incendie il y a des mois. Je sais même plus quand. J'ai pas beaucoup écrit ou dessiné depuis. Mais ça m'a plus manqué que je ne l'aurais pensé. J'ai eu l'occasion de passer dans un magasin et me revoilà, plume à la main. Après toute cette histoire, dans le nord, et l'incendie, on a passé plusieurs mois dans la montagne. En descendant Graiseley au nord. Coincé presque tout l'hiver dans le contrefort à l'ouest des montagnes, on a trouvé facilement de quoi manger. C'était la belle vie. Dutch avait une piste pour acheter du terrain, mais ça correspond pas à ce qu'il voulait. Ou bien il a peur qu'on soit surveillé par les autorités. Ouh. Oh, froid. Peut-être que quelqu'un sache qui en était. Alors on l'a jamais acheté, cette propriété. On est toujours en vadrouille. On s'est fait de nouveaux amis dans les Graiseley. Jenny, une gentille fille qu'on a récupérée au bord de la route, et Mika, un hors-la-loi que Dutch a rencontré dans un bar, quelque part. Dutch semble avoir un faible pour lui. C'est un type hyper impulsif, imbu de sa personne, qui passe son temps à ergoter. Pour ça et moi, on sait pas trop, on verra bien. On a fini par se poser, et maintenant on se terre, près de Blackwater. Mais je reste, parfois en Reville, pour voir si je peux trouver des coins. On dirait bien que notre situation s'améliore. On a plein d'argent, et le chemin qu'on a suivi était trop long et tortueux. Pour que quelqu'un ait pu nous suivre vers le sud et l'est, ou deviner où on pouvait aller. On pensait à la Californie, mais Dutch et Orsa nous ont emmenés à Blackwater. Ah. Et voilà qu'aujourd'hui on se casse. Oh, on se gèle, pardon. J'arrive même plus à parler tellement. J'arrive même plus à me lire. C'est compliqué. Et il semblerait que j'arrive encore à dessiner. Blackwater s'est apparemment développé depuis qu'ils sont venus ici. On m'avait dit que c'était juste un relais commercial, mais c'est une petite ville en pleine expansion. J'ai l'impression que tout le monde est corrompu par ici. Mais ça sent le pognon à plein nez. C'est bon de dormir dans un vrai lit de temps en temps. et de trouver la civilisation après des mois passés sous la tente. Mais j'aime pas beaucoup être si près d'une ville. Ah. Mais j'avoue que je regrette l'hôtel ces temps-ci. On vit ici maintenant. On campe surtout hors de la ville, caché en pleine lumière. La vie est plutôt facile. Abigail et Marston s'engueulaient sans arrêt. Je me demande pourquoi. Il est revenu. Il ne sait pas si il veut être le père de son fils ou pas. Ah. Leurs prises de bec sont épuisantes. J'ai entendu parler de quelqu'un qui pourrait bien être Trenlawnway. Ouais, ça doit se prononcer comme ça. On l'a pas revu depuis des mois. Marston. Je ne l'ai pas écrit, mais je vais donner mon avis. T'as su faire un gosse. Il va falloir que t'assumes. Et que tu te comportes en homme. Et d'arrêter de faire la femmelette. Or ça et moi, on est sur un gros coup. Une grosse somme d'argent doit arriver. Pour une histoire d'arnaque immobilière. Alors ça, on pense avoir découvert. Je ne sais pas encore vraiment comment. Mais le crime parfait. Vu qu'on vole des escrocs, on reste très prudent. C'est marrant de travailler à nouveau avec Orsa. Ce type est le roi de la baliverne. Même si ça donne à rien, on prend vraiment du bon temps. Mais j'aimerais bien que mes poches se remplissent un peu plus. Ça devient compliqué. Surtout ces derniers jours. C'est bon de remonter des arnaques. Alors ça est un sacré bon bonimenteur. Il s'inquiète, il a peur que si on traîne trop en ville, on attire un peu trop l'attention. Mais Dutch pense avoir flairé un bon coup. Lui aussi. Lui s'est dit que, pas moi, l'argent d'une banque doit arriver par un bateau. Apparemment, alors pour l'instant on prépare les deux coups et on verra ce qui se passe. Le plan c'est de fuir quelque part, dans un endroit désert, à l'ouest, si on peut. Regardez mon talent en dessin. Michael et Dutch vont braquer le ferry en ville. Ah. Il le disait, bourré d'argent, celui des banques qui arrivent par bateau. Pour une fois, je participerai pas à l'attaque. Alors ça et moi sommes trop occupés avec notre affaire. Et je crois que ça va bien se passer. Dutch reste confiant et affirme que tout le monde participe et tout ira bien. Ils prévoient de faire leur coup et de s'enfuir vers l'ouest. Le lendemain, Orsa et moi en boucle notre arnaque et on les a rejoints. Dutch a l'air heureux et excité. Il parle à nouveau de la Californie, mais il parle aussi de tout un tas d'endroits. J'ai bien l'impression qu'il sait pas où est-ce qu'il veut vraiment aller. Ça fait des semaines qu'on cavale. Que nous sommes cavale. On n'a aucun répit. C'est pire que d'habitude. La mission à Blackwater, l'attaque du ferry, est un véritable fiasco. Une catastrophe même. Jenny est mort. Pardon, est morte. La pauvre. San et Make ont été arrêtés ou abattus. Personne ne sait vraiment. Dutch a buté une fille, volontairement ou pas. J'en sais rien. Mais apparemment, c'était un piège. On a pris la tangente aussi vite qu'on a pu, en abandonnant presque toutes nos affaires et notre argent. Alors qu'on fuyait vers l'est, dans les Gray's Lane, Une terrible tempête nous est tombée dessus. Davy Callender, qui a été touché au ventre à Blackwater, a fini par mourir. Ta gueule, Dutch! Tous en silence! Bordel! C'était pas beau à voir. Nous, on a failli mourir de froid. Mais on a trouvé un refuge dans un village de mineurs abandonné. Depuis, on se repose en attendant le dégel. Éveille. Paix à ton âme. Le printemps est là. Mais c'est que sur le calendrier. Parce qu'à l'extérieur, c'est compliqué de savoir si c'est le printemps. Le printemps est là, mais je m'y attendais plus. Alors ça et moi, on avait organisé un braquage à Blackwater. Et on a dû laisser ça derrière nous, avec tout ce que je possédais. J'ai peur de ce qui risque de se passer quand on quittera cet endroit. Ou que les autorités finiront par nous retrouver, planqués ici. On a trouvé une fille, enfin, une femme plutôt. Son mari s'est fait assassiner par les hommes de Colm, Wallow, Waistcoat. Une sale histoire.